Welcome back to CT Live. I have to say, one of my favorite things in the world is to go to the dentist, and I promise I'm not kidding. It's the highlight of every 6 months for me. And North Haven Dentist is here for all of your dental implant needs, and thanks to the expertise of Dr. Mahmoud Aruri. And Dr. Aruri, he's joining us now to talk about his practice and the state-of-the-art dental surgical facility. So, Doctor, we're hearing more and more about implants. It's such a topic that people, you hear it and you're like, oh my gosh, it's not necessarily approachable or manageable for a lot of people. So how do you guys make that different?
A lot of patients were told it's not possible based on older techniques. There's a lot of new techniques today, techniques called palatal approach, pterygoids, zygomatic. There's a lot of techniques. I don't want to go into details, but we can get stability and teeth within day one, restore their smile within the first 24 hours of their procedure.
Yeah.
So we're actually not just putting the implants, we're actually giving them their teeth within 24 hours.
Okay, that's absolutely incredible. 24 hours for this entire process. And based on what you're saying, it sounds like you guys work in a state-of-the-art office. How do you do that in 24 hours?
So it comes down to pre-planning and designing the smile prior to actually starting the case.
Okay.
So we take some pictures, we take a scan of the mouth, not the old gooey impressions that we used to always.
Oh my gosh, those were the worst when I was younger. You would do that gooey impression. We don't do those anymore?
Right, so it's a quick scan in the mouth. It's like taking pictures. It's literally like taking pictures of the mouth. We plan the smile, we position the implants, we get great stability from day one based on the newer techniques I was just talking about.
Yeah.
And then within 24 hours, we 3D print those teeth and give them to you within 24 hours of your procedure. It comes down to having a 3D printer in the office, a digital design. We adopted digital technology, so we're able to do that.
That's incredible. That's amazing. And thank goodness no more gooey impressions. Historically, dental procedures and implants, when you hear that, people just go, oh my gosh, you cut your pearls, because it might mean multiple doctors, it might mean unknown costs, but that's not necessarily the case when they're working with your office, right?
Correct. A lot of patients' frustrations is that they want to start the plan, but they're not sure how many doctors they're seeing. They're not sure how long the treatment is going to take. They come to me saying, we were told we need bone graft and it's not possible to do.
Oh, wow.
Bone grafting may require you going to see an oral surgeon, unknown cost there.
Yeah. You
don't know the cost to come back when you see the dentist for the teeth.
Yeah.
This could stretch to a year or two before you even have your teeth, and then you're not even sure you can afford it.
Yeah.
In our office, because we pre-plan everything, on day one of your consult, I'm able to give you an exact amount of what the cost is going to be. You're going to be seeing me. You're not seeing different doctors. So the whole thing from start to finish is few visits.
Yeah.
And you're done in 3 months.
Less intrusive, more transparency. That sounds incredible. Somebody's smile is such a huge part of them as a person, and it always breaks my heart when you hear stories that, I wasn't comfortable smiling or showing my teeth because I had something I was self-conscious about. You're somebody that fixes that. How does that feel when you see somebody smile with the biggest grin and maybe a new tooth in there?
To be honest, it's such a rewarding experience. It's so gratifying to see the changes in people's lives from start to finish.
You're really transforming smiles, transforming lives. It's really incredible. If somebody wants to learn more about you guys, work with your office, maybe fix their smile, where can they get information about a consultation?
So we're located in North Haven Dentists, plural. They can schedule a consult. We can go over their plan from start to finish. And we can actually do a smile simulation. There's a lot of technology now. We can show them how their smile is going to look like after. They know the exact results from day one, the exact cost, and they'll be seeing me from start to finish.
Amazing. Perfect. You can go see Dr. Aruri. Thank you so much for joining us today. We appreciate it. We're making smiles better here on CT Live. We will be back right after this break. Stick around.